What's the meaning of Brummie? Brummie. Brummie.
Brummie. Brummie. Brummie is a term used to describe someone from Birmingham, England, or something related to the city. The word itself is derived from the local accent, which is known for its distinctive pronunciation of certain words and phrases. Brummies are known for their friendly and welcoming nature, as well as their pride in their local culture and heritage. The city of Birmingham has a rich history, particularly in the areas of industry and innovation, and has produced many famous figures in music, art, and literature. The term Brummie is therefore closely associated with this proud and dynamic city and its people.